Hi guys, Mark from Custom Dynamics. If your Road Glide seems like it's missing something right here, well, we got something new for you. Our new white DRL center windshield trim, and I'm going to install it today for you. Alright guys, let's get started on the install for the white DRL center windshield trim here. First things first, I'm going to remove the windshield, get it all loosened up. Pull the windshield out off the bike and get it out of the way. We can pull the screws out now. I just want to grab this and pull straight kind of up, back, out of the way here. The little retention clips, get that out of the way. We'll go over to the bench and we'll start putting the center windshield trim on. Alright guys, we got everything set up on the bench. We got our windshield trim, our vent, and our windshield. First thing we want to do is loosen up these 6 screws here, which 2 are 2mm Allens and the 2 on the outside are Phillips head. You just want to loosen them up, back it out, because we want to spread this out as much as possible here, this gap, because it's going to slide over top of here, and then the windshield is going to go in there. So we want to, get it loosened up. I've loosened them up quite a bit already. So we get them all loosened up there. We want to lube this gasket up so it helps us slide that on a little bit. So I just use, you can use soap and water. I use some detail spray cleaner. Just something to get it to where it'll help slide on the rubber piece there, because it's a tight fit. So kind of want to push it up through here, kind of keep working it around. It'll go, it's just a little tight. Keep pushing it. You want to push it all the way till the holes line up on your the vent, on the hole on the back side of the actual windshield trim there. And you'll see that you need to push it all the way up there and it won't go anymore. So keep in mind, you just keep pushing it up there till it stops. Holes are both lined up, so we're good there. Now we can put our windshield in, which is the same thing. We're just going to continue to wedge it through. Like so. Just be careful with everything. You don't want to damage anything. Push it all in there just like that. Make sure the holes are still lined up. They are. Like so there. We got it there. Now we're going to turn it over. Now we can tighten these back down. And also what we want to do, we have some cable tie holders and some cable ties, but you're going to run the wire kind of up here because it's going to go onto the bike underneath the vent, and we're going to plug it in between our turn signals. But I'm going to stick it, a couple of them, one here and one here, and that'll get the wire held up here out of the way. But I'll do all this and then I'll go back to the bike here, show you where we're going to plug this in, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got this set up here. I unplugged from the turn signal from the harness. We're going to plug in between that and the other harness that we have here. Just watch it, don't drop it, obviously. Plug that in. We can tuck our wires down and out of the way. And that's the same way going back with the vent. You just slap it down into the pieces there and watch our wire. And that's pretty much it. Make sure that the vent is in place correctly. Once it and it snaps into place like that. You'll hear it. That's pretty much it there. I'm gonna put the windshield screws in, and then I'll come back and we'll turn it on. All right, guys, that wraps up the install for the DRL center windshield trim for the Road Glides. Pretty easy install. Nothing jumps out real difficult there. It is a daytime running light only, so when you turn it on, it's just the white light. You can also get our side windshield trim, which has the turn signal function, and it fits really good with this. Like always, you can pick this up at your local drag specialties dealer, and of course, CustomDynamics.com.